Hello, it's Agnes, and welcome to day 3 of the Attracting Your Dream Work or Job 15-day intensive workshop. So today we're going to start with, down in the description there is a couple of YouTubes for you to watch relating to the dream job topic. So please pause this video and you can go and watch those. Now, the second thing you're going to do is your affirmations today. Now, today, because it's day 3, you've already had 2 days of me reading out the affirmations that, suggested by me. What you can now do is write down, you're going to do 50 a day, starting today. So pick your top 5, and you're going to start to shape it into your favorite top 5. And you're going to start to do them, you're going to do them 10 each. So that gives you 50. Okay, so start to write and compile your list today. And you're going to use that for the rest of the course. Now, the third thing you're going to do is write your paragraph. I'm happy and grateful now that. Now today you can add your own things. Now you understand what we're doing. Just write a paragraph every day, add in a few more bits. Think about it in a bit more detail and just add something different in the paragraph each and every day from now until the 15th day. Okay, so now we're going to do the daily meditation together. So close your eyes and just get comfortable in your favorite position, laying or sitting, and let everything go, everything you have to do, anywhere you have to go. I want you to be totally present and focused that this is your time to live in the end result, live in the wish fulfilled, living from it, as Neville Goddard so beautifully describes. And we're going to start with the breaths. 6 in for 4 and out for 4. Breathing in for 4. Breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. And breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. And breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. And start to let go and relax more deeply. And last one with a hold. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Now, in your mind's eye, I want you to think about, from having done your paragraph, the environment in which you would love to work in. Now, I want you to stand in the middle of that environment, and I want you to do a 360-degree turn very slowly, and I want you to see everything that you see as you look around your workplace. Now, if you've never been there before, just use your imagination to put in the details, add in color, add in shape, add in people if they're there, add in what you see out the window, add in what you do on your lunch break. You're thinking of that while you're standing here in this environment. You're going to look around, and you might even be able to see as you move around where you're going to have your lunch break. So I'm going to give you a moment to just turn very slowly in a circle and take in everything visually that you can. You might even smell something like coffee or flowers or just the beautiful perfume of someone in the office. So add in those details as well. Add in smell. Add in if you can hear anything, the phone's ringing, the buzz of people tapping on their computers, or the sound of children playing in a playground. Whatever it is, I'm going to give you a couple of minutes to do that 360 turn and see everything that you see. So you can do that now. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. Now, I would like you to just let that scene hover in the background, and it is your lunchtime now. And I want you to think about, where would you go for lunch? Do you go alone? Do you go with somebody from work? Do you sit outside in the lunchroom? Have a think about what you would actually be doing on your lunch break. And I'm going to give you a minute or so to walk out of your work environment and go somewhere to have your lunch. So you can do that now. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And now see yourself walking back in to your work environment, that wonderful place that you love to go back to because you really love. Using your skills to give service and to give love and to give value. And just let the whole work scene fade back, fade away. You can come back to it anytime you like. And send love to that workplace as you leave the meditation. Send love to it and say thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'm going to count you out of the meditation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another meditation done for day 3. Now the 5th thing is to continue to read your Wallace Waddle, not read, but listen the audiobook on the link that I sent you yesterday. Listen to a little bit more and really think about what he's saying as you read it, because it is absolutely a fantastic book, and it is one that really changed my work and how I do things. Lots of love to you, and I will see you tomorrow in day number 4.